Hello everyone. Welcome to the course Python Programming for Every Beginners. Previously, we discussed about the first two types of operators. The first one is arithmetic operator. The second one is relational or comparison operator. In this lecture, we will discuss about the third type of operator, that is logical operator. Now, what are the various logical operators and how these can be used in Python programming? We will demonstrate with one example program. Coming to the outline. So first we will see introduction to logical operator, then what are various logical operators, then finally Python program demo. Logical operators. Mainly, what is the purpose of logical operators? Logical operators, also called as Boolean operators, which are used to combine two or more relational expressions. In the relational operator, whatever the examples, so those can be combined using logical or Boolean operators. Python supports the following logical operators. First one is and, second one is or, third one is not operator. Let us see how to use these three operators in Python, then example solves. The following table shows various types of logical operators and their meaning and description. The first operator and, so in Python we have to use lowercase a and d, or we have to use lowercase or, then not we have to use lowercase not. So the meaning, how to read and, so and can be read it as logical and. So this can be used between the two operands. If both operands are true, then the condition is true. If any one is false, then the result is false here. Whereas OR operator can be read it as logical OR. If any one operand is true, either left or right operand, then the result is true. Any one is true. Then not can be read it as logical not. If the expression value, the final expression value is true, then the result of the expression is false. That is negative, not reverse of the existing value. If the expression value is false, then the result of the expression value is true. This is logical not operator. Now let us see one example calculation by using these logical operators. So now here in this example, here we have taken the operand A as true, then operand B as false. Now AND operator can be written as operand A space A and D space B. So then what is the A value? True and false. Then in logical AND operator, the result of true and false, so is false only. If both are true, then only it returns the result as true. But here one is false, one is true. Therefore, the result is false. Then logical OR operator can be written as A space OR space B. That is A value is true or B value is false, true or false. In logical OR operator, if any one value operand value is true, then the result is true. So it returns true. Then logical NOT operator. So for A, you can apply not A equal to what is A value? True. So not true. What is the result here? False. Similarly for B, what we are having false, then you can take not B. So not false. Then what it returns? True. So this is the example of using the logical operators. Now let us see the Python example program for demonstrating logical operator. The same example, whatever we explained. Here A equal to true, B equal to false. Then we are printing the heading demo on logical operators. Then the first operator we are using the result of A and B using AND operator. So here we are using the direct expression here A and B. In place of expression, you can store this entire value into one new variable. That variable you can use here instead of the expression. Anyone you can use. Now A and B, so true and false. It returns the result as false only. Then second one A or B. So A is true, B is false. True or false? The result is true. Then the result of not A. So here A is true, then not true equal to false. Then the result of not B is here not B, B equal to false. Not false, what we will get? True. Now let us, we will also demonstrate lively. Now this is the program what we explained till now. So demonstrating on logical operators. A equal to true, B equal to false. Then first one A and B, second one A or B, third one not A, fourth one not B. Now we can run using the run menu, run module F5. Now here you can see, here you will get the output here. Okay, now the first one A and B, that is true and false. What is the result here? False. Then the second one A or B, that is true or false, or operator, the result is true. Then third one not A. So what is A here? True. So not true equal to false. Then next one is not B. What is B here? False. Not false equal to true. So it written true. This is the demonstration of Python program on basic the three logical operators. Okay, now next we will see one more example program. So this program contains a combination of relational operators and logical operators. Okay, now whatever this program we explain, here you can see the another example. Combination of logical operators and relational operators. So here we have taken A equal to 10, B equal to 20, C equal to 30. So then first we are using the relational expressions, then combining the expressions using logical operators. The first expression X equal to A less than B, second one C greater than B. Then these two are combined using AND, logical AND operator. Okay, now let us wait here. Yeah, the first program that we already demonstrated. Then coming to the second program. So combination of both logical operator and relational operators. Here you can see. Here we have taken some sample values. A as 10, B as 20, then C as 30. So then the first one A less than B and C greater than B. So the first relational operator A less than B and C greater than B. Now these two are combined using logical AND operator. The second expression A equal to B, then the B greater than A. Here again this is combined using logical AND operator. The next relational expression A equal to B, second one B greater than A. Now these two are combined by using logical OR operator. The next one A equal to B, that is assignment operator. Now we are using logical not A equal to B. Okay, now after demonstrating this one, let us see what is the output you will get here. So A less than B and C greater than B. So if both are true, then it returns the result as true. That is logical AND. So then again here it is false means A equal to B, B greater than E. Actually A is 10, B is 20. So 10 not equal to 20. So this condition is false. Then B greater than A, this is true. So false and true, it returns false only. Then A equal to B or B greater than A. First one is false, second one is true. Either any one is true, then the result is true in case of OR operator. False or true, it returns true. Then not A equal to B. Actually A equal to B, this is false. Not false, what it returns? True. Okay, now let us demonstrate the same program here. Logical relational operator. So this is the Python program what we explained. A equal to 10, B equal to 20, C equal to 30. The first expression A less than B, C greater than B. These two are combined using logical AND. The second one A equal to B, B greater than A. These two are combined using again AND. Then the third one A equal to B. Next condition B greater than A. These two are combined using logical OR operator. Next one A equal to B. For this, we use logical not operator. Now let us run this program, see the results. So here you can observe. Let us check the values. The first one, a less than b. So a equal to 10, b equal to 20. 10 less than 20. Yes, this condition is true. And c greater than b. C is 30, b is 20. 30 greater than 20. Yes, this condition is also true. So both are true. And if both are true in AND, the result is true. Then second case, a equal to b. Next, b greater than a. So b greater than a, 20 greater than 10 is true. A equal to b, 10 equal to 20. This condition is false. False and true. So what it returns? True only. AND operator, both should be true. Then next one is OR. A equal to b or b greater than a. A equal to b is false. B greater than a is true. False or true in OR operator. If any one is true, then the result is true. Then next one, NOT operator. Our expression is a equal to b. Now a equal to b, what is its value? 10 equal to 20. This condition is not true. Therefore, this is false. Not false. What is the answer? You will get not false equal to true. This is the output for corresponding to all these relational expressions combined with the logical operator. Okay, that's all about logical operators. In logical operators, here two Python programs are demonstrated. First program using the basic logical operators and or not. Then the second program by using relational expressions along with logical operators. Now in this channel, some more full courses are available. So if you want, you can subscribe and access freely. So already we are studying Python programming for every beginners now. So this is very much useful for machine learning, AI, and data science. Then next program for data scientist, this is very much useful, R programming. So the full course on R programming is also available here. Here you can see what are the various data science technologies required: machine learning, data analysis, mathematical knowledge, deployment, web scraping, IDE, data visualization, then programming languages, Python or Java. So R is also very much useful, especially for data scientist. So then for computer science and IT related students, so two core courses, one is at second year level and another one third year level. And some universities, both are in third year, first semester and second semester. The first course is formal language and automata theory, second one compiler design. These are very, very important for computer science, very core courses. Then even for GATE, CSC, IT. So these two courses having more weightages. So all the two courses, full resources are available in this channel. You can make use. Okay, now we will meet you in the next class with other type of operators. Till then, all of you a very happy